Relationship-based care, as I said, there's 3 relationships. And the first relationship that everybody needs to focus on first and foremost is not the patient or the customer that everybody thinks it is, but it's actually the relationship with yourself. You need to take care of yourself. We are all, stressed out with work responsibilities and home life responsibilities and helping our friends. And, it's very easy to keep saying yes to everybody, but you really need at times to pause, right? And say, you know what? I need to take care of myself because I'm getting a little crispy. I can feel like I need to get to kind of refill my tank. And that's okay. You're so much more valuable and helpful to everyone when you focus on yourself first and you make sure that your tank is filled. So taking care of yourself is not selfish, but it's wise. It's what we need to do. And so you care for yourself in multiple ways. Your emotional self, your physical self, your mental health and wellness. All kinds of ways to focus on yourself. Maybe your professional development is also part of caring for yourself. So making sure that professionally you have what you need, personally you have what you need. So that's that care of self. Once you can bring your best self to work, then you focus on caring for your colleagues and working together with each other. And there's actually a lot of research out there, and not just in healthcare, but in general workplace, the work environment research that talks about the need for employees to support each other, and that when you feel supported by your peers at work, your work environment becomes more akin to a home environment, and you become more more dedicated to your workplace, and you feel more like it's part of your family and not just a place that you go to work and you punch in and out and put your hours in and then go home. But it's really a place that you almost want to be because your work family is there as well. So caring for each other is so important and really lends to employee satisfaction, employee engagement, and better productivity and even longevity. People want to stay at a place where they know that what they do matters and that they're needed and that they're recognized for what they do. So that is kind of caring for colleagues, the importance of that. So care of self, care of colleagues, that all lends then to that exceptional care of the patient or of the customer. So if you work in finance, you may not work directly for patients, you might not work in healthcare at all. But whoever your customer is the recipient of what you're doing. And so that is that third relationship. And when you respect your colleagues and you work collaboratively together and you're bringing your best self to begin with, the experience that your customer, or if you're in healthcare, then that patient and family or the client receives is top